Good evening. Um, this is going to just be a short demo of a CCD autopilot session on Wednesday night, January 9th. Started about 10:45 p.m. Mountain Time. This is at my observatory, Granite Gap. The Granite Gap Observatory is open. I'm in the middle of an imaging run. I'm imaging galaxy IC342. If you look in the CCD autopilot session window, you will see right down here I'm on exposure 12 of 30. They just got finishing one sub. They started another sub. Before I get into that, I want to show you the weather graph for tonight. I'm probably going to allow another 30 or 40 minutes of imaging. If you'll notice, this is the moisture graph in the north, south, northwest. And if you see the point, we're right down here. I was in this little crevice between Arizona on the left and New Mexico on the right, and Granite Gap, I think, is right down here somewhere. So you can see there's a big vertical band that started earlier. This is a 2 or 3 hour, I think, window, and it's closing up. If you it's going to get worse tonight. This is moisture in the air. It's not thunderstorms, it's moisture. And you can see the east satellite, what it looks like over here. There is some thunderstorm over here. You can look at the Tucson local radar, long-range reflective radar, and see there's nothing really around too much. And we're down here in Lawrenceburg, there's not much, but this is here the weather station that I have actually at the observatory. This is AG Cloud Sensor 2 weather station. It was reading the sky temperature graph right here at the top left, and you can see this jagged, and you also see that the temperature is not perfect, what we want it to be for a real steady night. Calm weather over here, dry. This is a rain sensor. And the temperature is dipped down to the 32s. It looks like it's going up slightly. You can see the 7-day forecast here. It shows tonight partly cloudy, breezy tomorrow, and then rain. So this is going to be the last shot for a few days. And we can hope we can just get some imaging done here. Basically, right now, you see we're in the middle of imaging, and the autodata is not very good. It's already started deteriorating. If you look, you can see that I'm getting plus or minus 1 arc second jumps. This is a 1 arc second window. This is maximum DL's window. And oops, you can see that it's jumping all over the place. This is again the CCD autopilot's window. And it will be probably usable, but I'll have bigger stars. You can also look up here on the left and see the guide star moving around a little bit. It's a 400 size clip. The guide star magnification. And we'll look at some of the information here. This is all automated. I'm like 12 out of 30 subs, 36-minute subs. So it shows that the last sub that I shot actually failed my criteria. That's okay. It had a 7.17 arc second with half maximum. Not too good, but bearing exposure. It could be okay. The background's not bad at 2500, about 25 ADU. Elongation's not bad. I think it'll be okay. This is due to exposure more than anything. It just finished the 13th exposure. It's dithering the guider, which means it's going to offset it a little bit. It's requiring the guide star. And right now, if you look at it, it's getting ready to start another image. In fact, it took the first guide error 1.43, 1.69. As soon as the guide error got down to 0.717, 0.51 arc seconds, it immediately open exposure started going. It's after it turns the guider off and on. It takes a second to settle. But anyway, this is all automated. So just wanted to give you an idea of what's happening automatically, all unattended. And just a short demo. Thanks.